Time to explore the content you love. Let's unlock your TikTok favorites and enjoy them again with a few simple steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find your favorites on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open up your TikTok app on your screen. It's time to get to your profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You are in your profile zone. Right under your bio, you will see 5 icons. Select the 4th icon. That's your favorite icon. Now that you are in, enjoy your collection of saved videos, sound, and effects. It's all here neatly organized just for you. So this is how to find favorites on TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.